We often think of art as something found in museums, but the truth is, we create art every day, right in our kitchens. Each dinner plate becomes a canvas, and the food, our palette of colors and textures. A balanced dinner plate is more than just a meal. It's a masterpiece that fuels our bodies and minds. Just like a great painting needs harmony and balance, so does a healthy diet. The food we choose to put on our plates directly impacts our health and well-being. Eating a balanced diet, rich in essential nutrients, is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight, boosting energy levels, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Think of your body as a complex machine, constantly working to keep you functioning at your best. When we provide our bodies with the right balance of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals, we give them the fuel they need to run smoothly and efficiently. So let's explore the art of crafting a balanced dinner plate, one delicious and nutritious bite at a time. Imagine a painter's palette, brimming with vibrant colors, each representing a different nutrient essential for good health. Carbohydrates, our primary source of energy, are the warm yellows and oranges, providing the fuel for our daily activities. They're found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, forming the foundation of a balanced plate. Proteins, the building blocks of our bodies, are represented by the rich reds and browns, essential for muscle growth, tissue repair, and a robust immune system. Lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, and tofu are excellent sources of protein, adding substance and sustenance to our meals. Healthy fats, often misunderstood but crucial for hormone production and nutrient absorption, are depicted by the cool blues and greens. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil provide these essential fats, adding richness and flavor to our culinary creations. By understanding the roles these nutrients play, we can make informed choices, selecting foods that nourish our bodies from the inside out. Creating a balanced dinner plate doesn't require a culinary degree. It's about understanding a few simple principles and putting them into practice. Think of your plate as divided into sections, each representing a different food group, just like the sections of a painter's palette. Start with a generous portion of vegetables, filling half your plate with a colorful array of leafy greens, crunchy carrots, vibrant bell peppers, or any other vegetables that entice your taste buds. Vegetables are low in calories and packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them the foundation of a healthy meal. Next, allocate a quarter of your plate to lean protein. Grilled fish, baked chicken breast, tofu stir-fry, or lentil soup are all excellent choices. Protein provides the building blocks for our bodies, keeping us feeling full and satisfied, preventing overeating later on. The remaining quarter of your plate is reserved for carbohydrates, preferably whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, or whole wheat bread. Healthy fats enhance flavor, aid nutrient absorption, and contribute to overall satiety. The beauty of a balanced diet lies in its versatility and adaptability to different cultures and cuisines. From the Mediterranean to the Middle East, from Asia to South America, countless cultures have mastered the art of creating delicious and nutritious meals that embody the principles of balance. Imagine a Mediterranean plate: grilled salmon drizzled with olive oil, roasted vegetables, quinoa salad with cucumbers and tomatoes, and a slice of whole wheat bread. Travel to Japan: a bowl of miso soup with tofu and seaweed, grilled fish, pickled vegetables, and brown rice. Venture to Mexico: black bean and sweet potato tacos on corn tortillas, topped with salsa fresca, avocado slices, and Greek yogurt. This vibrant dish is a celebration of whole grains, plant-based protein, healthy fats, and an explosion of spices and textures. A balanced dinner plate is not just about satisfying our taste buds. It's about nourishing our bodies from the inside out, providing the fuel we need to thrive. Each nutrient plays a unique role in supporting our physical and mental well-being, working in synergy to keep us functioning at our best. Carbohydrates, the primary source of energy, are broken down into glucose, which our cells use to power everything from breathing to thinking. Choosing complex carbohydrates over refined carbohydrates ensures a steady release of energy, preventing blood sugar spikes and crashes that can lead to fatigue and cravings. Proteins, the building blocks of our bodies, are essential for muscle growth and repair. They also play a crucial role in hormone production, immune function, and maintaining healthy hair, skin, and nails. Healthy fats, often demonized in the past, are now recognized as crucial for hormone production, cell function, and nutrient absorption. Vitamins and minerals, though needed in smaller amounts, are no less important. Eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables ensures we consume a diverse range of these essential micronutrients. Even the most nutritious foods, consumed in excess, can contribute to weight gain. Mastering the art of portion control is key to reaping the full benefits of a balanced diet. It's not about deprivation, it's about finding the right balance that satisfies our hunger and nourishes our bodies without overdoing it. Visual cues can be helpful in estimating portion sizes. A serving of protein should be about the size of a deck of cards, while a serving of carbohydrates should be about the size of your fist. Fill half your plate with vegetables and you're well on your way to a balanced and satisfying meal. Listening to our body's hunger and fullness cues is crucial. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're comfortably full, not stuffed. It takes about 20 minutes for our brains to register fullness, so slow down, savor each bite, and give your body time to catch up. Creating a balanced dinner plate doesn't require drastic changes or sacrificing flavor. Often it's about making small, sustainable swaps that add up over time. Instead of white rice or pasta, opt for whole grain alternatives like brown rice, quinoa, or whole wheat pasta. These swaps provide more fiber, vitamins, and minerals, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and regulating blood sugar levels. Swap sugary drinks for water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon or lime. Sugary drinks are loaded with empty calories and can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. Instead of frying foods, try baking, grilling, roasting, or stir-frying. These cooking methods require less oil and help retain the nutrients in your food. Choose lean protein sources like chicken breast, fish, beans, lentils, or tofu over fatty cuts of meat. One of the most rewarding aspects of creating balanced meals is the endless opportunity for experimentation. Don't be afraid to try new recipes, explore different cuisines, and experiment with herbs, spices, and seasonings. Let your taste buds be your guide, discovering new favorites and expanding your culinary horizons. Visit your local farmer's market and let the season's bounty inspire you. Roasting root vegetables in the fall, grilling fresh fish in the summer, or enjoying a hearty soup in the winter are all ways to connect with nature's rhythms and savor the freshest flavors. Cooking with others can be a fun and social way to explore new recipes and share culinary experiences. Invite friends or family over for a potluck dinner, where everyone brings a dish that represents their heritage or culinary interests. The key is to listen to your body, honor your preferences, and find joy in the process of nourishing yourself. As you embark on your journey towards balanced eating, remember that your body is your best guide. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel, both physically and mentally. Do certain foods leave you feeling energized and satisfied, while others make you feel sluggish and bloated? Keep a food journal for a week or two, noting what you eat, when you eat, and how you feel afterward. This can help you identify any patterns or sensitivities and make adjustments accordingly. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all approach to nutrition. Trust your intuition and don't be afraid to experiment until you find what works best for you. When we nourish our bodies with the right balance of nutrients, we feel our best both physically and mentally. Mastering the art of a balanced dinner plate is not a destination. It's a lifelong journey of learning, experimenting, and listening to our body's needs. It's about making conscious choices about the food we eat, understanding the impact those choices have on our health, and finding joy in the process of nourishing ourselves. It's about ditching the diet mentality and embracing a holistic approach to eating that prioritizes balance, variety, and moderation. It's about savoring each bite, appreciating the flavors and textures of whole foods, and finding pleasure in the act of sharing meals with loved ones. As you continue on your journey, remember that every meal is an opportunity to create a masterpiece. The canvas is yours and the possibilities are endless.